So the other day, I am just walking through this Tico neighborhood, and that's what the local people of Costa Rica are called. So I'm just walking down this exact road that you see me walking down now. Exploring around, you know, trusting that listening to my body is gonna guide me to some kind of nice spot to hang out for a while, or just enjoying every moment of being out here. I mean, look at it. The views are already pretty amazing. So yeah, I am just walking down this road, just deciding on a whim whether I go left or right or straight ahead. And it's always on these explorations, on these exploratory journeys, that I either find the most amazing things, or that I get these spontaneous insights, thoughts, or even visions that somehow just come at the exact right time. Now, I don't know if this is something you can relate to or recognize, but if you want to get more in touch with yourself, more in touch with nature, I'd highly recommend just go out and explore around where you live. There's probably nooks and crannies you don't even know about. And if you live in a magical place like me here in Costa Rica, where there's such abundant nature and jungle, and yeah, just go out there and see. So I came here, I'll turn around so you can see. I came here at this junction. So I can go 3 ways here. And I chose that way at first. You see right behind me, it goes down pretty steep. And as I was walking that way and I was looking around and I was enjoying myself, at some point I felt, no, you need to go the other way. I had no clue why. I've never been here before. So that's when I went down this road. So that's where we're going now, because I really just want to show you what places you can discover when you go out and explore. And you know, there's such a magic in discovering a spot by yourself, with nobody telling you where to go or what to look for. And yeah, these experiences really bring me back to me. They clear my mind, they get me in touch with myself, they bring up this excitement, and there's just no words really to describe how I felt when I discovered what I discovered. And I usually do not bring a phone on my explorations, because I want to be really present with nature, present with my own body and what it's telling me and my intuition. And so, yeah, I couldn't show you the first time. So I decided today to bring my phone to show you anyways. And the only thing I did now is I just turned my data off so that I can't be distracted by anything coming in. I'm just recording this video and I'm gonna upload it when I'm back. And yeah, are you curious to see what I've discovered? The beauty of this planet, I'm telling you. I'll give you one more look around so you can kind of get a feel for where I am. So this is a pretty rural area. Still, it's only about a 20-minute drive from the ocean up the mountain. It's very close to where I live. And yeah, that these places still exist on this earth. It's incredible, and I hope as humankind we're going to be able to preserve some of it and really appreciate it for what it is, because it's part of us. It's part of who we are. And just experiencing the regulation when you're in nature. And then for me, the sense that came to me that it really felt like home, and it was the exact spot I needed to be in that moment. it's indescribable. I can't put any words on that. And I wouldn't have experienced that if I stayed at home. So everyone, turn around here. Look at that. Where are we going? I can tell you, the gate you saw, it's the last house on the row. So I'll turn the camera around and show you. So how magical is this to explore and stumble upon a waterfall like this in an exploration that you had no expectations of, and with nobody telling you what to look for or where to look for it. Now I want to ask you this question. How often do you experience this in your own life? Because I have the feeling that a lot of us are just living on automatic pilot and are being kind of lived by life. And I certainly hope that is not you. But if it's you, I hope this inspires you to go after your dreams, to jump off that cliff, to take a risk sometimes. And you know, there might be a lot of things coming up for you. They certainly did for me. Like, I could come up with 100 different reasons why not to go after my dream. But in the end, I figured that, I don't want to end up on my deathbed thinking, looking back on my life and thinking, you know, what was it all for? And why didn't I just go for my dream? Because even if I were to fail at, you know, accomplishing my dream, at least I tried. And for me, that alone is completely worth it. Because the experience of my journey is what life is. And it's beautiful and it's awesome. And yeah, it can be hard at times. It can be challenging for sure. But I am so, so happy that I made the step to move to Costa Rica. With a lot of things still being unsure, but to just follow my heart and go for it. And to have experiences like these. And to connect to Mother Nature. Especially when I feel lost. Especially when I feel overwhelmed. Because I used to have the tendency to stick to home when I feel overwhelmed, and yet I embrace this holistic lifestyle, this holistic view on life. Therefore, I can find my home in nature, and I felt like being at this waterfall, it was exactly the right place at the right time, and I felt such a huge shift. So I'd say, go out there, go explore. Find yourself, find your dreams, and go for it. What else are you living for? If you want to know about some of the things that I am undertaking to make it possible for myself to take these steps in life and to move to my favorite country, check the description below and just click on a link and go explore. And who knows, maybe I can help you with that, and maybe I'll see you on the other side, and maybe you'll come visit me in Costa Rica one day. If you appreciated this video and you want to know more about me and my holistic lifestyle, please check out my other videos and hit subscribe so you'll get notified. And for now, I just want to wish you the most amazing day. I hope it inspired you. Go after your dreams. You're totally worth it. Ciao for now. Bye.